Hi primary friends! Today we are going to be making jigsaw puzzles out of the letters of our name. To do this, you're going to need a big piece of paper, some colored pencils, and some child-sized scissors. So before you get started, have your family help you create little boxes in which you can write each letter of your name. Here's Miss Schultz's name. Miss Schultz spells Miss Schutlz. And then I also did some decorations and colored in my boxes. All right, now I'm going to cut them out and I'm going to transform it into a jigsaw puzzle. So to do this, you're going to use some safety-sized scissors, and I want you to cut kind of wiggly lines. You can do some zigzag wiggles and up and down and all around. All right, that's my M, my S, my capital S, my lowercase s and Ms. Maybe include a star in there. All right, maybe some of my hearts and another star. Maybe loop my L in with the hearts and the star. And I'm mixing them up while I'm doing it so that I'm not going to be sure which order it will be in. All right, now I just got a couple more letters. Maybe I'll just separate my SCH and U. I'll keep the CH together because together they make the sh sound in Schultz. Okay, wow, this looks like a trickster. They're all mixed up. Do you see that, friends? All right, now it will be my challenge to put it back together. I cannot wait to see, friends, what you make. Let's see if Miss Schultz can do it. All right, SCH, there's my U. Ooh, this is tricky. HU, oh, there we go. That fits the U together. All right, there's the M for Ms. I'll put that one on top. All right, I know my stars and hearts go on top. There's my L. Oh, here we go. The L. So SCHULTZ. Wow, friends, this is very cool. Here's my heart. Okay, I'm gonna put that in between. All right, Ms. Schultz, so M, S, and there's my capital S. Look, I put it back together again. I'll let you guys see it. And that is my jigsaw puzzle. I can't wait to see all the jigsaw puzzles you guys make. Have a great day, primary. Miss Schultz is thinking of you. Bye.